Hello everyone, I will show you how to build Geospatial Dashboard like this one by just chatting with AI without writing any single line of code. So you just need to describe what you need to create or build in this dashboard. So this dashboard, for example, displaying traffic index in real time, and it keep fetching real-time data, and it keeps populating this data and this statistics cards here, and it also show it in the map, for example for the top 10 or some cities around the world. So you can also interact with this dashboard. For example, I need to go to Istanbul and I need to check the traffic index right now, the congestion level, the traffic jam, speeds, delay, etc. You need also, for example, to show the real-time traffic flow data. You can see it, or traffic incidents in the map. You can also zoom into another city, and also you can toggle between different language, for example Arabic or English, so you can also see all this information in Arabic, or you can create it in French. The beautiful thing here that I have created this one without any line of code, without many configuration, without even subscriptions. So how to do so? Let's go here, and you can find this README file. I will share it in the description and in this video, how to install everything. So first you need to install Visual Studio Code from this link. It is very easy steps, and after that you need to also get GitHub account. After that also you need to install Copilot extension. You can go here after installing Visual Studio Code, and you need to install this one, GitHub Copilot. Okay. After that, you can enable, if you are working on Windows, you need to enable IIS. It is Internet Information Services. It is acting like a local host for your application or your dashboard in your local machine. After enabling it from Windows, you need to go for this directory and create a folder. You can create, for example, you name it whatever name. So you can call it, for example, here Geospatial Dashboard. After that, you need to go for open folder from here, and you need to go to this directory and open the folder. So you will have something like this, Geo Dashboard here. So you have now your folder. After that, you need to open a new chat. So you need to go for here, for this one, and new chat or open chat window, and switch it to agent. Okay, so for now I need to create something like this prompt. You need to tell him, I will send it now, and I will explain it while it keeps processing on it. So I am telling him right now to in this folder in Geo Dashboard, you need to create Geospatial Dashboard, okay, with satellite imagery or satellite map to be in the center of the application or the dashboard, and also put some statistics cards in the above of this map. And you can fetch or pull the data in real time from this source, okay, and update it on the dashboard every 5 seconds or for top 5 countries. So you will have something like this at the end, but this prompt will not give you this full dashboard. You need to keep discussing or keep chatting with AI. Okay, so it's now it keeps processing. Okay. So if you notice, for example, it is for this dashboard, it has satellite imagery and other kind of base map. So it's after finishing, it is already finished. Okay, that's good. So let's say to him, run this app in VS Code in browser. So I need to see the output inside Visual Studio Code. I don't need to open another browser. So let's see what will happen right now. So okay, allow all. So as you can notice here now, it keeps writing code for you. So you don't need to be have any kind of experience in coding, but it keep creating files, it keep creating code for you, it keep running everything for you. Even if you notice any kind of issues, you can also ask him or ask AI to fix it. So it's now keep processing to run the dashboard. so it will take some kind of time. Yeah, that's fine. So now it is working fine here. We can close this one, and we can see now it's showing some statistics about some cities and with the congestion level, with the average speed, etc., and also show it in the map, and it keeps updating it in the map itself. Okay, so here when we zoom in, no zoom in. Okay, so I need to tell him right now, here when the user, for example, click on the map, it gets zoomed in to the city. So let's see what will happen. And also, if you notice here, also I don't like this theme, for example, so I can tell him also after finishing this one to change the theme to dark black. So let's come here and also refresh, and when okay, so fine, it's working. So now I click here, it get zoom into, for example, for Paris. Here I will send this one to change the theme to dark blue. Okay, so also if this cards and this view it is not, you don't like it, you can ask him also to keep all cards and map in one view to fit the screen. Okay, you can keep writing something like this. You can also tell him, for example, I need to do at the end something like this one. Okay, so let's make yes, so I need to do something like this one, so I can tell him you can also add, let's refresh here, you need to make it like this one dark, this one is dark blue, this one is dark black. I can also tell him, please create for me different themes. You can ask him to add different maps. You can tell him, for example, here I need to choose a traffic flow, traffic incidents. So to do how to do something like this, so you need to come back and open the chat, and it is already finished, and I need to, yes, to zoom in, and this changes the dark to the dark theme as we can see here. So, and again, this is a real-time data. Okay, it is refreshed every 5 seconds. So as I told you, I need to show the traffic flow and real-time traffic with incidents from, for example, from this map provider. So here you can register to your favorite map provider, to the portal of developer, and you can obtain a map key for the traffic API, and you can get it, and you can just copy and paste it here in AI here, and tell him, okay, please create for me this, or call the traffic layers from this map provider and extract it here. When you are going to do something like this, at the end you will have get the map to show you the traffic flow and the traffic incidents. So you just need to obtain a map key from map provider, and you need to provide it here to the chat, and it will work for you. So for the simplicity of this demo, I will ask him add also open a street map. That's it. So I need also this application to add different kind of satellite base maps. Like for example, this one you can check satellite imagery, dark mode, or streets dark. Yeah, and you can, by the way, create chart like this one. You can tell the chat in the chat here to create also a chart for you. Okay, so that's it. So it is already added OpenStreetMap and dark map. So you can describe what you need to update in this dashboard, and you need to chat with AI to add any kind of data, to, this data can be, by the way, from local file like CSV. You can add it, I already stated here. So for example, sources of the data, it can be from Excel sheet, from CSV file, from JSON, Access database, it can be from SQL database. This data can be also in cloud, in Microsoft Azure Cloud or Amazon, etc. Also, when you finish your dashboard, you need to deploy it. You need to be available for stakeholders. Okay, so you can keep it locally at this one. It will be like let's search for deployment. So to deploy, this is the deployment options. So you can keep it in localhost at this link, and you can share this link, but you need to change the IP or the local host to your IP from their network. Or you can also use all these different kind of options, but I prefer this one, GitHub Pages. It is very easy. You can register and you can configure your dashboard in this GitHub, and after that you get a URL and you can share it outside of your organization with the stakeholders. Okay, so you have many options for clouds. You can use also Amazon AWS EC2 or Microsoft Azure App Services or Azure Static Web Apps, etc. So to recap, you can create now Geospatial Dashboard by just chatting with AI, and you can create or describe what you have in your mind to AI so he can create it for you.